No fancy shop, no big staff, just you, your machine, and pure profit. These 10 low investment machines are perfect for starting your own business from home. I'll show you how they work, where to get raw material, total cost, and daily profit. Small setup, real income. Let's get started. Number 1. Laser Engraving Machine. This small machine is a game changer for making personalized products with low investment. The laser engraving machine lets you create custom items like keychains, wooden signs, coasters, or even metal tags with professional finish. You just load your material, upload a design, and the laser engraves names, logos, or artwork in seconds. Raw materials are simple: wood, acrylic, leather, or thin metal sheets, plus electricity. The machine costs between $500 to $1,500 depending on size and features. You can make 50 to 100 products daily, each selling for $5 to $40. Total daily revenue can touch $1,000, with profit margins around 60%. A perfect small business for beginners with huge demand in gifts and branding. Number 2. Nonwoven Slipper Machine. Disposable slippers are used everywhere, from hotels to salons, and you can manufacture them from home with a non-woven slipper machine. It feeds fabric rolls, cuts slipper shapes, folds them, and seals them automatically. The materials needed are non-woven fabric, EVA foam for soles, and plastic bags for packing. Machine price ranges from $1,500 to $3,000. You can easily produce 1,000 to 2,000 slippers daily. Wholesale price is 20 to 40 cents per pair. Daily revenue can be $600 with $200 to $300 profit. Hotels, hospitals, salons, and Umrah service providers are your key customers. Number 3. Sock Knitting Machine. You might think socks only come from big factories, but this machine lets you start your own sock brand right from home. The automated sock knitting machine uses yarn to weave socks in tubular shapes, adjusting size and patterns automatically. You'll need yarn like cotton, polyester, or wool blends, plus electricity and basic packaging. Machine price starts from $1,500 to $3,000 depending on features. Some models even have touchscreen pattern options. You can produce around 200 to 300 pairs of socks per day with proper setup. Custom socks sell for $3 to $7 per pair in local markets or online. Daily revenue can reach $600 with $150 to $300 profit per day. Socks are universal, and targeting niches like eco-friendly yarn or printed logos boosts your brand. Number 4. Powder Packing Machine. The powder packing machine is your ticket into the booming FMCG industry. With this machine, you can pack products like spices, coffee, protein powder, or detergent with accuracy and speed. The machine uses an auger or volumetric system to fill and seal ready-made pouches. You'll need your chosen powder, plastic or foil packaging, and electricity to run the machine. Semi-automatic machines cost between $800 to $1,500, while fully automatic models go up to $3,000. Depending on machine speed, you can pack 20 to 40 pouches per minute, up to 2,000 bags daily. Selling spice packs at $1 each gives you $2,000 daily revenue. After material and packaging costs, profit margins reach $1,200 per day. Powder products are always in demand, and good branding makes your simple product look premium. Number 5. Oil Press Machine. The cold press oil extraction machine is perfect for those who want to enter the health-conscious market. With this small machine, you can produce pure oil from sunflower, sesame, olive, or black seeds without using heat or chemicals. The screw press system squeezes out fresh oil while keeping nutrients intact. You'll need raw seeds or nuts, clean bottles for packaging, labels if you want to brand it, and electricity. Tabletop oil press machines cost between $500 to $1,000, while larger versions go up to $2,500. You can produce 5 to 15 liters of oil per hour, depending on machine size and seed type. Pure oil sells for $4 to $10 per liter, giving daily revenue up to $500. Profit margins are 50% or higher, earning $200 to $300 daily. Natural, chemical-free oils are in high demand at local markets and health shops. Number 6. Embroidery Machine. The embroidery machine transforms simple fabric into high-value custom products. With this machine, you can create premium embroidery on t-shirts, caps, jackets, tote bags, towels, and more. The computerized system stitches precise designs using multiple thread colors uploaded via software. You'll need embroidery thread, fabric of your choice, stabilizers to hold the fabric, and electricity. Packaging is optional if you're selling finished products. A good single-head commercial embroidery machine starts from $1,500 to $3,000. Multi-needle models are faster and more versatile. You can easily embroider 30 to 50 items per day, depending on size and detail. Custom embroidery sells for $5 to $15 per item, with luxury brands charging even more. Daily revenue can touch $500, with profit margins often exceeding 70%. From uniforms and branding to weddings and gifts, embroidery offers endless demand with a premium touch. Number 7. Desktop Vacuum Former. If you want to create custom packaging or product prototypes, the Desktop Vacuum Former is a hidden gem. This machine uses heat and vacuum to shape plastic sheets into molds, packaging shells, trays, or even product casings in just seconds. It's perfect for startups making electronics, food containers, or custom designs. You'll need thermoformable plastic sheets like PET or PVC, molds based on your product shapes, and electricity. Entry-level desktop models start around $500 to $1,200, while industrial versions go above $2,000. You can easily produce 100 to 300 plastic molds or trays per day, depending on size and design complexity. Custom packaging can sell for 50 cents to $2 per piece, giving daily revenue up to $600. Profit margins often exceed 70%, meaning $150 to $300 daily profit. In today's market, professional packaging instantly boosts product value, and this machine makes it affordable for small businesses. Number 8. Tortilla Making Machine. Flatbreads like tortillas, chapati, and Egyptian bread are daily essentials in many regions, and this machine automates the entire process. The tortilla making machine prepares dough balls, presses them into thin discs, and cooks them automatically on a rotating hot plate. Some models even stack the tortillas, ready for packing. You'll need basic ingredients like flour, water, salt, maybe a little oil, and electricity to run the machine. Packaging materials like plastic bags or wraps are required for selling. A small tabletop tortilla machine costs between $1,200 to $2,000, while larger versions for small commercial use go up to $4,000. Production capacity is 800 to 1,200 tortillas per hour, over 10,000 daily. Selling tortillas at 10 cents each brings $1,000 daily revenue. After raw material costs, profits can reach $300 to $400 daily. The demand for fast, fresh flatbreads keeps growing, making this machine ideal for restaurants, home deliveries, and street food sellers. Number 9. 3D Clay Printer. The 3D clay printer is changing the game for handmade products by bringing automation to pottery and decor. This machine prints real clay objects layer by layer, just like a 3D printer, but uses a thick clay paste instead of plastic. You can create beautiful vases, cups, statues, and custom decor items with precision. You'll need clay paste or filament, which is affordable and easily available, along with electricity and basic tools for drying or finishing. Desktop 3D clay printers start around $1,000 to $2,500, depending on build size and features. You can produce 20 to 50 decorative clay items daily, depending on size and design complexity. Home decor products like modern vases or clay lamps sell for $15 to $50 each, offering $500 to $1,500 in daily revenue. With profit margins around 60%, you can earn $300 to $800 per day. The handmade decor market has low competition and high demand, making this business highly profitable. These 10 low investment machines can turn your small space into a real business. Start small, scale fast, and build profits from home. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone ready to start their own business today.